Today we have as our guest Los Angeles defense attorney and former prosecutor Michael Ross. He is with us today in a Los Angeles Superior Courtroom to discuss the O.J. Simpson case. Mr. Ross, how long do you think the trial will last?
Well, it's not going to take forever, but it's going to seem like forever, particularly to the media, by the time it's over. And the reason for that is that jury selection in this case is going to take 4 to 5 times as long as the actual trial itself.
What do you think will happen in this case?
I think absolutely anything could happen in this case. Mr. Simpson could be convicted and he could be sent to the gas chamber, or he could be acquitted. One interesting point is that a poll taken in the area where the jurors will be selected from indicates that up to 60% of the people responding felt that O.J. Simpson was set up by the police and he should be acquitted. That's staggering when you consider the effect that might have on the jury pool.
What kind of job has the defense and prosecution done?
Well, I think they've both done an excellent job. Marcia Clark is a classmate of mine from law school. She was good then. I think she's good now. She's methodical. Shapiro has done a good job of punching holes, has been often said in the prosecution case. The only time I have a problem with either the prosecutor or the defense is when they start bickering between themselves, and I think it's ineffective advocacy. It doesn't look good. It's not the sort of thing you want to put in front of a jury. They're not impressed with that. Otherwise, I mean, they're first-class lawyers, and it shows. They also have first-class support systems. The prosecutor has the police department. Shapiro has a phalanx of investigators and backup attorneys here. So you're going to see the best of the best.
Mr. Ross, one last question. What kind of job do you think the media has done in this case?
Well, I think the media has done a very good job, and I disagree very strongly with those that think that there's too much coverage of this particular case. It's given the opportunity to the American public to see a celebrated case, blow by blow. Full coverage of the preliminary hearing, I think, was unprecedented in this country, but it provided people with an opportunity to see how the justice system works in this country.
Thank you, Mr. Ross.
Thank you.